What up guys, it's your boy MartyBlendz, and today we're doing something completely out of the ordinary. We are cutting up someone with dog clippers. As crazy as that sounds, it wasn't even in my head before I saw one of your comments saying, why doesn't Marty cut up with dog clippers? And I was just like, wow, we're cutting someone up with dog clippers. All right, now the first thing I'm gonna do is actually order the dog clippers at PetSmart. I'm gonna schedule them for pickup, that way I have them quick in hand. So let's look up clippers. And this Easy Clip Li cordless pet hair clipper. I am probably gonna go for that. Honestly, this Andis Pro Clip Ion pet hair looks really good quality, so I'm gonna take a look at it. Now, all we need is a brush, a comb, and maybe even some shears, so we're gonna look for that as well. All right, so $11.99 for a 5-star top paw metal pet comb. We're gonna order that, and let's get on to our shears. I found these. Okay, so now same brand, top paw metal thinning pet hair scissors. We are gonna order those. They have like 2.5 stars, so they are right alongside, and they are also $17.99. The problem is they don't have any stars, so these are probably complete, right? But we're still gonna order the matching set. Why not? All right, so I guess PetSmart just carries a bunch of top paw stuff. All the accessories I did order today, I guess are top paw, but this one is a brush at $14.99 with like about 4 stars. All right guys, so I'm gonna rush to my nearest PetSmart and I'll be right back. To be honest, I don't even know how this is gonna go, so I am very excited to even use these. A dog clipper on a human's head, I don't know how that's gonna work. But anyways, that's what the challenge is all about, and I will get back to you in just a few.
Yo.
Hey, are you on your way or what?
I'm actually outside already.
All right, bet. Hey, banger. We're gonna film a banger tutorial.
Let's get it. Open up.
Okay, oh, you're outside?
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay, going. So dude, go for it. All right, so I know we typically don't start tutorials off like this, and I do have to mention it's not your regular tutorial.
I know, I figured.
No, it's not even a tutorial. We're gonna do something completely different, bro. All right, you ready for your surprise? No, for real. You ready?
Nah, hell no.
What do you think we're doing?
I'm cutting my hair with that shit.
With dog clippers? Dude, I got these at PetSmart and I was like, it. Like, let's... Yeah, well, it's because we had someone on the comment section ask, like, hey, why don't you guys cut up with dog clippers? And I'm like, shit. Why? Because you're the guinea pig of the channel.
Apparently, I'm a fucking dog now.
Well, let's unbox these for them and see what's up. But, yes, you're down?
While we're here.
These are the Andis 11-piece kit, cordless Easy Clip Li. They look like regular barber clippers, I'm not gonna lie. Check that out right there. Honestly, I love that it had a lever on it, so I was just like, dude, this is gonna be perfect. Damn, the thing is, there's no like half guard, so that's gonna be a huge problem. So keep in mind that all of this was at PetSmart. Oh, as a person with a dog right here. Cord-free touch-ups on coats and all breeds. This is a rare breed.
I'm a different breed.
This feels small and cheap. I didn't only get clippers and trimmers, but I got a comb today, for today.
Might as well give me a shocker collar.
I got you some trees, bro. Okay, we have shears right here. And then we have thinning shears, a top paw metal comb. Now these are super cheap, bro. And you guys can hear them right here, like, is it rough? It feels like real.
That feels better than my comb, actually. No, for real.
These feel super cheap. They feel like kindergarten scissors. These almost feel like the scissors you would use at, what?
I'm not gonna
Guys, this is my attempt to cut up with dog clippers. This should be interesting, but if you have any other video idea that you want me to do in the near future, comment down below and I will read them as well. So let's get right into it. You ready? All right, should be fun. Before we get into the action, today's sponsor for this video is Blumon. Now, whether you're a barber looking for a quality product to use on your client's hair, or you're in the market for a brand new hair product, Blumon has got you covered. Now, we all know how frustrating it could be to find that perfect hair product for that specific hairstyle you're trying to rock. Aside from all their amazing products, there are 2 specific ones that I use on the daily. First thing I do is pre-style my hair using the original Meraki while it's still damp. Next, I blow dry in several different directions to enhance the messy look. I then use a small dab of the Cavalier Heavy Clay, which has a natural finish with a very heavy hold to finish it off and give it a nice, natural, sleek look. Stacking these two products onto my straight hair and new hairstyle has helped me achieve the look I've always wanted. Thanks to Blue Mon, the Discovery Kit will allow you to explore within 5 different products to know which is best suitable for your hairstyle. So whether you have thick to thin hair, straight or curly, Blue Mon will definitely help you bring up your hair game. Now, I've recently switched up my hair from a comb over to a crop top, and let me tell you, the original Meraki and the Cavalier have made a big impact in how I style my hair. I highly recommend Blue Mon to find the best quality hair products for your hair. Use code MARTY for 10% off and thank me later. Guys, let's get back into the video. All right guys, so I'm gonna start off by saying these are not zero gapped, and I don't have a shaver with me or anything like that, so don't expect the cleanest, but I am gonna try, so let's get right into it. So this is our brush for today, and I am basically gonna run through and flatten out all his hair before I even get to it, so call me a pet groomer. Bro, look at all the ticks coming off. Guys, another problem that we have is that these are all the guards we get and they feel cheap as hell. So we only get a 1, we don't get a half guard. And then we get a 2, we don't get a 1.5 in between these. So that should be quite interesting, honestly. But hey, let's get right into it. This is the moment of truth. Ready? 1, 2. No way. Oh, I was like, what the fuck? Okay. Yo, no joke, this is probably worse than like the cheapest trimmers. Yeah, for sure. I'm tapping through and it doesn't even want to make a guideline. These are so cheap. I guess. I can't even get the hairs off of you with this little brush.
Is it gonna be good enough to go out in public with?
No, I'm not too sure about that. Actually, no, it's not. So this is it. The first time actually cutting with a dog clipper. How does it feel? How does it feel? See?
Yeah, it doesn't feel rough at all.
Ugh. Okay, I guess.
I love that. Man,
It looks.
how are you gonna fade that in?
That's a question.
Yeah.
That's a question, bro.
¿Qué estás haciendo, güey?
¿Qué? Hey, let's go. What?
Mr. T or what?
What?
Look like Mr. T?
No, chill. I still have to fit in like this one guard.
Back here fading or what?
No, yeah.
For real?
Mm-hmm. Like nothing too.
So good, decent.
All right, guys. So this is me attempting clip overcome with this weird ass comb right here. Oh, it's not that bad.
For real?
No, yeah. So I'm trying to like dig into like a little spot of like darkness right here, and then they just get rid of everything. I'm trying. Here.
¿Qué estás haciendo, güey?
Dude, it's pretty bad. No, it's not that bad though. Like,
If you had this shit, it wouldn't be that bad?
I'm gonna fix it up after though. Bro, it's not that bad. They're fucking pet clippers, bro. They're dog clippers. I know. Wait up, that's not even the end. Okay.
I think I'd rather have this side, honestly.
Damn, that's kind of fuck. Comment down below what you rate this at this point right now in this video. Comment what you rate this right now. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Huh?
I gave it like a 2.5.
Can you give me a bark?
Shut the f.
I mean, I want to say I'm done with this side, but it's just like not the cleanest, you know?
Is that it?
You can't see it, whatever.
But like that's it? Like that's you're done with that side forever.
Yeah, I just think I might start using these because like, bro.
Like after you stop doing this side, you're done.
No 00, right? When I try sticking in my number 1 clothes, it barely gets rid of stuff, and I'm using corners because I don't want to go too far in there. It doesn't look that bad, bro. Like, seriously. Guys, earlier we did clip over comb. Now we're gonna do shear over comb. Let's see how this works out. This is actually my thinning shear. So, wow, they're not that bad. What do you mean, wow? You don't even know. Okay. No, yes, they're gonna. Oh, they're not really getting anything. The more I dig in, the more I regret like even touching it. I feel like I had it at one point. I had it like pretty good, and the darkness was there. But now I'm getting rid of like the darkness, and I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit more, and that's it. I'm done with this side.
I think you just thought. Doing both sides?
I don't know. Should I do the other side? The more I detail, the better it looks. Wow.
For real?
Yeah. I'm tapping and then going to the sides. I'm literally shaking when I'm doing this. Purposely. Yeah. Yeah, don't try it at home. Do not try moving a trimmer like that. It's just because this doesn't cut. Damn.
What?
It looks good. It looks really good.
About to be dead.
Okay, I'm a freehand. A little bit.
Ah.
Yes. Looks fire. It looks f***ing fire. Move! No, we're actually doing a good job. Turned off.
Nah.
Yeah, they turned off. No, we're good. That's the end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Edge me up with the scissors.
Hey, go like this.
Edge me up with the scissors.
Go like that.
Edge me up with the scissors.
Go like this.
Cuando me mojes, güey. Pero edge me up with the scissors. Aquí, aquí.
You really want an edge up, bro?
Yes.
All right. Especially with a dog cut.
Espérate, that shit hurts, güey.
Okay, I'm gonna use a detangler.
Did you see him, güey? He was going like this, güey. No bajaba, güey. Y le hace con la otra mano, güey.
Good to go. This shit fucking looks so trash. The liner. Yeah. All right, so Blue Mon makes everything a little better, so I'm just gonna add it on to hair. All right. All right, guys, so that does wrap it up for today's video. I did a full haircut with just dog clippers, so I give myself a pretty good 6, to be honest, because check this out. It is not that bad. I actually ran out of battery, and this is what I got from it. I think this set is pretty clean, actually. What do you give me?
Like a 4.
A 4? With your glasses on? Oh, I guess. All right, that's a pretty disappointing. So to fade or to do any type of haircut on a human being, I would rate these maybe like a 1 star out of 5. Yeah, nowhere near even professional barber clippers. So if you did enjoy this video or you want to see me do other crazy challenges like this, please make sure to drop a like and comment what you want to see next. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and this is Arlen. And we're out.